Pensacola Beach, 400 Sedan Bridge. Boat is in very good condition. Ice glass, perfect. Canvas tops, perfect. Paint's in good shape. It's an overcast, cloudy, very, very windy day today. So it might not look great on the video just because there's not a lot of sunshine. Surveyor's already here. He was down in the engine room. We just started up the engines. All this exterior carpet is perfect. Stainless is great shape. Window covers, they have them. The owner just took them off so we can run the boat. But you can see she's very, very nice. All of this exterior carpet is in good shape. We're just down in the engine room hatch, and that's why it's rolled back. Exterior vinyl is good. No black marking, nothing. Very good. I don't know if you can hear the wind or not, but it's pretty heavy. We'll go inside, take a look. The soft goods are perfect. The leather seat sofas are in perfect condition. The carpeting you can tell has been walked on because it's flat. Might just vacuum up, but it's not dirty. It's all in good shape. It's not fraying anywhere. Excuse me. I have an old tube TV, Panasonic, with a VCR. That might need to get changed out to modernize it a little bit. Galley down on the 3-burner stove top, refrigerator, freezer, microwave oven, single sink, good storage. Did notice that down here by my foot, you can see that starting to lose a little bit of its connection on the clear coat. Going aft, we have this pantry here. All the way forward, not aft, forward, we have the master, the queen berth. An ensuite head, shower stall with a seat in the shower. All the wall coverings are good. The boat is in very, very nice condition. Again, another Panasonic tube TV with a VCR included. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a printed fabric. It has a pattern on it that matches the bed cover. Very nicely done. Again, the carpet's in good shape. Going aft, we have the guest head, a shower stall, and a seat also. All white, all clean, in good condition. A little bit more, we have the guest stateroom, twin side by side, hanging locker. I don't see a TV in here. Again, very nice. Like I said, so far the only thing I see is this bottom corner down here. Everything else is very, very nice.
Okay. But now it's been so windy, it keeps blowing them off, so I just tied them on there. They keep coming unsnapped, but they're perfect condition.
We'll go up top, see the helm and the flybridge. Again, the exterior carpet is in perfect condition. Got a bug on there, but it's not dirty at all. No dirt, no marks, no nothing on this upholstery. Amazing. It's very nice. Isinglass is perfect. The zippers on the canvas are all perfect. Wow, it looks like dirty up on the outside. Maybe a bird came about. Helm is in great shape. Furuno Navnet.
Nervous about getting out of here this much jam because we got shallow water right there. I would never take it out.
Well, if you can see that, 183 hours and 181 hours. Again, 40-foot Sea Ray Sedan Bridge in Pensacola Beach. It's a very nice boat.
It certainly hasn't lightened up at all.
She's in good condition.